guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the channel's first saber by Solo's Hold. This is the Rebel Orphan. This thing is really nice. I mean, it's just exactly everything you would want in an Ezra version 2 lightsaber. It's thin, it's got the thin neck, it uses a 7/8 blade, so that's also really thin. The saber is just really well thought out. It looks exactly like you would want it to. I just can't say enough good things about this lightsaber. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the Solo's Hold Rebel Orphan. This is Ezra Bridgers' second lightsaber. I am so happy when these really high-end saber commissions come in. People are like, can you install this for me? And I'm like, yes, definitely send that this way. So this is a really, really cool saber. Really nicely machined by Solo's Hold. And if you don't know who they are, I would definitely check them out on Instagram and Facebook. He does all kinds of amazing machining. I guess he writes all his own code by himself, or he does it manually. I'm not really sure. But everything is like really smooth. So very, very nice. Really love his work and happy to see this in person and get to install it. So some things to note are that the pommel unscrews for access to the kill switch. The speaker is actually right here, so your sound venting comes out from underneath the shroud. And this activation box and the shroud are both epoxied onto the body. It's the only way to secure them. The switch section, or the wannabe switch section right here, this is just a screw, and normally it's meant to secure the chassis on the inside. Unfortunately, this screw was not long enough, so I drilled and tapped underneath of this. Can I? Yeah, I can do that. And I epoxied this whole thing together, so this will always align the same way. But these little screws are holding the actual. Oh, I lied. Here we go. So got to put this back the way it was, right? That's not too hard as I say that. There we go. All right, so this section, the screw is epoxied on the inside of the black metal section right here, and the red part is loose, so you can actually get it a little snug and then reposition it if you like. So if you wanted this switch to be pointed down a little bit more, you could always unscrew it and clock it differently. The emitter has the blade retention screw right here. The blade is a 7/8 blade plug, and then the actual whole body can be unscrewed to get access to the chassis. So this is your recharge port and your kill key, or your kill switch. Down, so when it's away from the soundboard, the power is off, and when you push it up towards the soundboard, power is on. You have a Proffi V2.2, a 27mm bass speaker from KR Sabers, and then an 18650 is up here with your switches right here. So the left side of the power of the red knob this is your power, and this is your auxiliary. I don't know if you can hear it, but really nice and clicky. So turn it on.
When did Kanan teach you that?
He didn't.
Saber turns on. Smooth swing. Blasters. And then put this on. So you won't really ever need to take it apart from here. So I would always recommend, if you're just kind of turning it off and on,
Meet Obi-Wan Kenobi. Ezra Bridgers.
make sure that if you're taking the body off, make sure afterwards you make sure the alignment's correct here, which you do kind of have to wrench it on. So I made sure of that. And then also, this was what I meant, is you can access your power right here and your recharge port. So there's really no need to take the body off of the rest of the saber unless you're trying to change a setting on the soundboard. So turn it on.
Ezra used his Jedi mind one trick on the pilot. Pretty wizard, eh? I did what I had to do.
And then there you go, power. And that, I mean, that's the whole saber, right? You can, if you're looking for controls for the Proffi, I'm actually going to be doing another video for that, just because everything is pretty much generalized. But these are the FET 263 2-button config settings. So I send all my sabers also with his instruction manual. It's like 4 pages of button controls. So that pretty much does it for this saber. And if you have any questions, make sure to shoot them down in the comment. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. If you're looking to have any sabers installed, please feel free to reach out at john@sabersforever.com. I'll be sure to get back to you with any inquiries that you have. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, may the Force be with you.